Analyzing yield data is easy with Climate FieldView. Navigate to the FieldView app and select the Yield Analysis card on the Overview screen. The Yield Analysis card will show you a snapshot of your most recent harvest activity documented by FieldView. You will see a summary of all your fields. A quick summary of your yield analysis results will show across the top of the page. Your farm average is indicated by this bar. If you want to evaluate a different year or crop, simply change it by selecting from the drop-down menus in the top left corner. On this summary page, you can sort yield analysis results by name, harvest area, moisture, or average yield. Tap on any column heading to toggle the sort feature in ascending or descending order. To evaluate by field, simply select your desired field. Here you will see which hybrids or varieties were planted on that field and their corresponding yield information. You can also evaluate by hybrid, soil, seed treatment, date harvested, or combine. You will notice that no matter where you are at, you can identify your analysis criteria by looking at the selections in the top left corner. To edit crop settings, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Edit Crop Settings. Here you can adjust the nominal weight, nominal moisture, and shrink factor as needed. You can also adjust the yield for a single field by selecting the three dots while diving deeper into a particular field. To create a PDF or CSV report, navigate back to the three dots in the top right corner. Reports can be saved or shared by clicking the box with the arrow at the top right corner. Turn the information you have into the answers you need. FieldView's yield analysis tools help you understand what worked, what didn't, and what could be next year. For additional help regarding yield analysis, please reach out to our climate support team.